Video problem number 33, mass percent empirical formulas. This one is an empirical formula problem. Let's get to it. Tetrachloroethene is a colorless liquid used for dry cleaning. What is the empirical formula of tetrachloroethene if its mass percent composition is 14.5% carbon and 85.5% chlorine? Don't forget the empirical formula is the lowest whole number ratio by moles, right? So since it's by moles, we have to get these things into moles. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our 14.5% carbon, and we're going to take our 85.5% chlorine, and first we're going to assume that we have 100 grams. So if we do that, that means that we have 14.5 grams of carbon, and that means that we have 85.5 grams of chlorine. Alright, so remember, lowest whole number ratio by moles. So I'm going to take both of these and convert them to moles. 1 mole over 12.01 grams, that's for carbon. And here, 1 mole over 35.45 grams of chlorine. You get both of those from the periodic table. So let's see, when I take 14.5 and divide by 12.01, I get a value of 1.207-ish. Keep all those digits in your calculator. So that's my moles of carbon. Sorry, my line was too long there. And let's look at chlorine. We've got 85.5 grams of chlorine divided by 35.45, and that gives me 2.412 moles of chlorine. So, got them in moles. Empirical formula, lowest whole number ratio of moles. So it's a ratio. Whenever you get a ratio, you need to divide through by the smallest. So in this case, I'm going to divide through by the smallest number of moles, which is 1.207. Okay, so obviously for that first one, I'm going to get 1. Right, so this means that I get 1 carbon. For the second one, I get 1.998. 0.9 and above, you can round up, so that gives me 2 chlorines. So what's the empirical formula? C1, Cl2. That's the empirical formula.